What's up guys, Margiela here. I've been busy lately and I super duper miss vlogging. I finally had the week to sit down and start with the grind, and here I am. Just a quick recap on our day 2 in Toronto back in May. After our Sean Tower adventure, we went to Harbourfront Centre, a hub for events and activities and living downtown Toronto with performances showcasing the arts and culture. We're done taking pictures of the Sean Tower. Finally. And there's Tito, just waiting. Tito, did you get your beer?
Yeah. Come on,
Got it, I got it, I got it. Oh wow. So guys, right now we're at the Harbourfront Centre, and look, there's a lot of things going on right now. Din po ito?
Yun yung Billy Bishop Airport.
Oh.
Billy Bishop. Sa island yan,
Yun yata yung nakita natin kanina.
Ah. So guys, this is Lake Ontario right in front. And there's an airport over there too. As Lake Ontario calms the docks of Harbourfront, you can just sit by to enjoy the view while eating your fave food, of course. Yachts continue to make waves, breaking the silence of unharmed serenity. Toronto's Transpo is well known for its hustle and bustle. I realized that each person has their own destination, from point A to point B, and that can be daunting. One thing that makes that subway station extraordinary are the artists breathing life in an ordinary day ride. These musically talented artists are called buskers. You just gotta appreciate the energy and passion they emit just to change the ambience. What we think is productivity is being busy. But sometimes it requires casting all things aside to sit and unwind. We have to take that moment to slow down. As we got home into a less crowded, simple refuge, we went to Scarborough Bluffs. A nice getaway from city life. We tried scurrying around the rocks. I was honestly scared to move around. But seeing the horizon and dipping my hands on the cold water is worth it for me.
Nature! Hi guys, we're in Scarborough Bluff! Say hi! So, I don't know what to say again. in the rocks here. It's just a nice view of everything. There's like cliffs there, and this is water. Let's go explore around.
Sometimes you just have to let go. Learn to let go. Live in the moment, because peace comes when you surrender. Especially when you surrender to the one who has it all figured out. Lately, I've been questioning, but I know I don't have to know right away. I am alive, and that is what matters. I know for sure I'm called to love, and I will find what I'm looking for in due time. Just gotta trust and be patient. How about you? Have you learned to let go? And if you do, let's take time to appreciate what we have now. See you on the next vlog.
Say hi.